In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up workers' compensation insurance in Gusto. To begin, sign into your Gusto account and go to your main dashboard. Take a moment to confirm you are working in the correct company profile, especially if you manage more than one business. Once you are ready, find and click the section labeled Business Insurance. This is where Gusto connects you to insurance options that can be set up alongside Payroll, which helps keep everything organized in one place. Next, choose the option to get a quote. If you already have a workers' compensation policy and you are trying to continue coverage, look for the option that indicates you have an existing policy. Selecting the correct path here matters because it affects what details you will be asked for and how the quote is prepared. After that, select your state. Workers' compensation rules and pricing vary by state, so this selection ensures the quote is accurate and compliant for where your employees work. If you have employees in more than one state, make sure you choose the state you are currently setting up coverage for, based on your business needs and where the work is performed. Now enter the requested business details. You will provide your industry, payroll estimates, and employee count. Then continue to the next screen. When you enter payroll estimates, use your best current projection. If you run payroll through Gusto already, it helps to reference recent payroll totals, so your estimate is as realistic as possible. For employee count, include anyone who should be covered under the policy based on your state requirements and your business structure. Continue through the application section. Read each field carefully and fill it out completely, since missing or inaccurate information can delay approval or change your final rate. Once the application is complete, review the quotes from Gusto's insurance partners. Compare what is included, not just the price, and verify the coverage details match your business needs. When you are ready, select the plan you want and authorize it. Then complete the digital signature to finalize enrollment. Make sure your legal business information is correct before signing, since the signature confirms your application, and that is all there is to it.